welcome back everybody. So listen to the question. So they have asked to study the graph. Okay, so the graph has been given, and from the graph there should be a comprehension. There will be a question, and you have to give the answer. So the graph represents number of lecturers. Okay, so the number of lecturers, and we have to we are having the male as well as female. Okay, so here in this y-axis represents number of lecturers in a college, and x represents number of the courses. Okay, so you know that BCom, BSc, these are the number of programs. So okay, and here in the y-axis, for BCom, how many lecturers available? So lecturers means there will be both male as well as female, gen staff and lady staffs are available. Okay, and now listen here, what the question means. The number of male lecturer in the BSc course. Okay, course is how much more or less than the number of female lecturers in both MA as well as MCom. So you have to take the addition of MA, the lady staffs, and the MCom lady staffs, the ladies lecturers, and you have to add, and how much they are, whether they may be combinedly more than BSc gen staffs count, or combinedly count of MA and MCom ladies lecturers, and whether it is a higher. I have to calculate. Okay, the first one, look at the BCom. So BCom means what? There comes 10. So totally listen here. How many members available? 4,000 lecturers available. Okay. So for a BCom, so I just write BCom, 4,000 lecturers are available. Okay. Among the 4,000, look at out here. 10% are female lecturers. So what's the 10% of 4,000? 10% of 4,000 is about 400. Okay. And now look at the next one. And BSc. Okay. What is a BSc? BSc total staffs is 8,000. So I'm just going for a BSc. So BSc totally how much members available? 8,000 is available. So we have to take the 25% of the. So that means the 25% are lady staff members or ladies lecturers. Okay, female lecturers. So 8,000. What's the 25% of 8,000? It is 2,000. Is it right? So that means what? 2,000. So totally you have to take. Okay, and look at the next one. And you go for the BA. Is it right? In BA, how many members are available? 9,000 members totally available. So when you go for the BA, that means what? 9,000 members totally available. So among that, how many? 20% are lady staff members. So what's the 20% of this one? So you know, it is about 1,800. Okay. So 20% of 9,000 is 1,800. So you know, is it right? That means half. I think you can calculate very easily. Then you go for MA. So MA means what? Totally 10,000 staffs available. So for the MA, so totally 10,000 staffs are available. Among that, how many lady lecturers available? 30%. So 30% of 10,000 is 3,000. Okay, it's 3,000. And next is about MCom. And MCom, how many total members available? 12,000 lecturers available. So just write the MCom. MCom is totally 12,000 available. 12,000 total lecturers available. Among that, how many? 40%. Okay, 40% is about lady staff members. So totally 40% of 12,000 is 4,800. Okay, and what's the question means? We have to take the female lecturers of both MA as well as MCom. So you have to take the female lecturers. That means what? Who are the female lecturers of MA and MCom? How many? 3,000 from MA and 4,800 from MCom. So you just take 3,000, and you have to add, is it right? Because combinedly we have to take the total count of lady staff from MA and MCom. 4,800. How many is that? You go to 7,800. Is it right? And listen here, and you want to take only the male lecturers in BSc course only. So listen here, in BCom, out of 4,400 are female lecturers. Okay. So remaining how many male lecturers? So this is about female, is it right? And so male lecturers will be around 4,000 minus 400. So that means what? 3,600. Is it right? So that means what? 4,000 minus 400, you will get 3,600. Okay, that is a comment. So what you do? So you take the 7,800 and then minus 3,600. Is it right? So you have to make a combination. So the number of male lecturers BSc is how much more or less? Is it right? So only the BSc. Oh, I'm sorry. So listen here. I'm very sorry about this one. Just hold on. Okay, just be back. Okay, so what I do means because they have asked BSc course, right? We have taken a BCom. Okay, so better I just take the rubber. It will be more good for me. So we don't want to take about this 4,000. Okay, we have to go for the BSc course. Is it right? Now let me rub this one. Okay, no problem because small error might be happening. It's not error actually. Okay, so I go for the brush and now listen over here. So you have to take the BSc course, right? Okay, kindly apologize for this one. So BSc course, listen here. Totally how many members are available? 8,000. Okay, so 8,000 members are available. So 2,000 are female. So how many male members are available? 8,000 minus 2,000. That means for totally 6,000 male members available. Is it right? So what do? You better go to this one. So here I have to make a brushing off the 3,600. I have to eliminate because we are taken for a BCom, is it right? So I have to rub this one. And now what I do, just go for the brush and then just we go for this yes, here 7,800 minus 6,000 because 6,000 are the male members from the BSc. So totally how much members available is equal to 1,800. Okay, so combinedly you take the female candidates of MA and MCom. How far they are higher or lower? Because it is a lower rate. That means what? 6,000 is from the BSc course, male staff members. So they are higher. Suppose if here there comes example 8,000 means you have to make 8,000 minus 7,800. Okay, but now the 6,000 is lower value than the 7,800. So we have taken 7,800 minus 6,000. So automatically you have to give the 1,800 as the answer. Okay, thank you.